So this video is going to show how to divide a mixed number by a mixed number using modeling. It is the exact same way as dividing a mixed number by a proper fraction, but there's just one more step. So let's say I have 2 1/2 divided by 1 3/4. So I start out by first modeling the dividend. Here's the divisor. So the dividend is 2 1/2. I'm going to shade what I do not have. Do not have this 1/2. So I can ignore that. Now if I look at my grouping is 1 whole 3/4. I'm going to change that into a mixed number. So 1 3/4 equals 7/4. So that means there are 7 pieces make a group if you have 4s. Your wholes are divided into 4s. So since my wholes are not yet divided into 4s, I'm going to go ahead and do that now. However, when I divide into 4s, since I already have it divided into 2s, I have smaller pieces. I now have 8ths. This is 1 whole. This is 1 whole. Sorry. This is 1 whole. And this is 1/2. So once I'm done with that, I had 7 pieces made a whole, but now that I have 8 pieces in my whole, I have to make an equivalent fraction. So I multiply by 2. So instead of having 7, I now have 14 pieces making up a group that's 1 3/4 big. So I'm going to go through and count by 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here I have one group. And then I have a remainder left of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So in my 2 1/2, if I want a group that's 1 3/4 big, I have 1 whole that's 3/4 big, and I have 6 out of 14 because 14 pieces make a group that is 1 3/4 big. I need to simplify that, so now I have 1 3/7. So that is how you divide a mixed number by a mixed number.